Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will walk you through in the step-by-step process on how you can get logged into your MythDHR employee account. So make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and there search for MythDHR login and press enter on your keyboard. And there, from the search result, tap on the very first link mythdhr.com. And there you will be taken to its official homepage. Now scroll this page a bit down and there you will see 3 links which says current associates, former associates and forget password. Now if you're current employee of MythDHR, then you should select the first link current associates, click here to login. But if you're ex-employee of MythDHR, then select the second link former associates and associates on LOA, click here to login. And if in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget password and follow all the instructions till the end to recover your password. Now if you want to log into your employee account, then tap on the first link current associates, click here to login. And then you will bring up to the login page. Now you have to choose store or other location. Now if you choose store, then you have to type in your store number here. And in the next field you have to type in the username, and for the username, if you have chosen your store, for the location then you have to enter AIS ID, and if you have chosen other location then you have to enter LAN ID here. And in the next field you have to enter your password of your account. Now once you're done with typing in the credentials, tap on login button. Now if the credentials you have typed in are correct, then you will be successfully get logged into your MythDHR employee account. Now that's how easily you can get logged into your MythDHR employee account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.